Picture a sunny Saturday morning when the world feels fresh and full of promise. The first rays of sunlight spill across the kitchen, casting a golden glow over everything. It's the kind of morning that invites you to slow down and savor the simple pleasures of life. The kitchen fills with the irresistible aroma of sizzling bacon, fluffy pancakes browning on the griddle, and the faint sweetness of maple syrup warming on the stove. These scents mingle in the air, promising a meal that's both comforting and delicious. The classic American breakfast is more than just food. It's a cherished tradition, a daily ritual that brings warmth and joy to the start of your day. It's a moment when families gather, sharing laughter and stories before the day truly begins. Imagine a plate stacked high with golden pancakes, crispy strips of bacon, perfectly cooked sunny-side-up eggs, and toast with melting butter. Maybe there's a side of fresh fruit or a glass of cold orange juice to complete the scene. It's a simple, honest meal that everyone loves, from the youngest kids to the wisest grandparents. Each bite is a reminder of home, of comfort, and of the little joys that make mornings special. The cheerful clatter of forks, the happy chatter around the table, and the sound of laughter echoing through the kitchen make breakfast feel like a celebration, no matter how ordinary the day. This isn't about fancy ingredients or complicated recipes, it's about comfort, togetherness, and the joy of sharing a meal with the people you love. The American breakfast is a story told with plates and pans, a tradition passed down through generations, inviting everyone to join in and make memories together. So, pull up a chair, pour yourself a cup of coffee, and get ready to explore the heart of the American kitchen, where every morning begins with a sense of hope and possibility. We'll discover the roots of these breakfast traditions, from humble beginnings to the delicious foods that have become morning staples across the country. Let's dive into the magic of a meal that turns any morning into a mini celebration, and see how the American breakfast continues to bring people together, one plate at a time. The hearty American breakfast wasn't always the norm. In colonial times, mornings started with simple fare, porridge, bread, or leftovers, fuel for a day of hard work. As people moved to cities in the 1800s, breakfast became a more structured, sit-down meal. Enter Edward Bernays in the 1920s, who famously promoted bacon and eggs as the healthiest way to start the day. With doctors backing the idea, bacon and eggs became an American icon. The classic breakfast is a blend of history, changing lifestyles, and clever marketing. It evolved from a farmer's quick bite to a celebrated family tradition. Our morning routines reflect the times, shaped by work, society, and a bit of advertising genius. Even the simplest meal has a fascinating story behind it. Let's meet the stars of the American breakfast, the foods that make mornings brighter and tastier. Each one has a special role to play, and together, they create a breakfast experience that's hard to beat. Eggs are the champions of the breakfast table. Whether you like them scrambled, sunny side up, or folded into a fluffy omelet, eggs are always delicious and packed with protein to start your day right. They're versatile too, enjoy them plain or add cheese, veggies, or herbs for extra flavor. Bacon is the sizzle superstar, bringing a savory crunch and irresistible aroma to every plate. Its smoky flavor pairs perfectly with eggs and adds a satisfying bite that many people look forward to in the morning. Pancakes are the sweethearts of breakfast, soft, golden, and perfect with a drizzle of maple syrup. Their fluffy texture and warm, comforting taste make them a favorite for kids and adults alike. Add blueberries or chocolate chips for a special treat, turning ordinary pancakes into something extra fun and flavorful. Every bite is a little celebration. Waffles are another breakfast favorite, with their crispy edges and deep pockets perfect for holding syrup, fruit, or a dollop of whipped cream. Toast is the trusty sidekick, always ready to mop up every last bite of egg yolk or syrup. Whether you like it with butter, jam, or even avocado, toast is a simple pleasure that completes the meal. And don't forget a glass of fresh juice, orange, apple, or grape, to brighten your morning and add a burst of refreshing flavor. Juice is the perfect way to wash down your meal and get a little extra energy. These foods form the all-star team of the classic American breakfast, each one bringing something unique to the table. Each brings its own flavor, texture, and fun personality to the table, making breakfast a meal to look forward to. Together, they create a meal that's comforting, colorful, and full of joy, perfect for starting your day with a smile. No wonder breakfast is called the most important meal of the day. With so many tasty options, it's easy to see why mornings can be so special. Making a classic American breakfast is a fun kitchen adventure. Start with eggs, scrambled, sunny side up, or however you like them. Sizzle bacon in a pan until it's crispy and golden. For pancakes, mix up a simple batter, pour onto a hot griddle and flip when bubbles appear. Toast some bread to your preferred shade and slather with butter or jam. Pour a glass of juice while everything cooks. With a little timing, you'll have a beautiful breakfast platter ready for everyone. It's a performance where every dish plays its part. The best part? Sharing the results with family or friends. Breakfast in your own kitchen can be a delicious, applause-worthy event. Across America, breakfast takes on local flavors, reflecting the country's rich tapestry of cultures and traditions. From coast to coast, what's on the morning table tells a story about the people who live there and the history that shaped their tastes. In the South, biscuits and gravy, fluffy biscuits smothered in creamy sausage gravy, are a hearty favorite. This comforting dish is a staple at family gatherings and local diners, offering a warm start to the day that's both filling and full of Southern hospitality. The Southwest loves breakfast burritos, packed with eggs, potatoes, cheese, and spicy chorizo or chilies. Wrapped in a soft tortilla, these burritos are perfect for busy mornings, blending bold flavors and convenience in every bite. In New York, bagels rule, chewy toasted, and topped with cream cheese or smoked salmon. Whether grabbed from a corner deli or enjoyed at home, bagels are a city icon, representing the melting pot of cultures that make up the Big Apple. Hawaii's Loco Moco features rice, a hamburger patty, fried egg, and rich brown gravy, a unique fusion of flavors. This island favorite brings together influences from many cultures, creating a breakfast that's both satisfying and distinctly Hawaiian. Each region adds its own twist, making breakfast a culinary road trip. From hearty Midwestern scrambles to sweet Southern pecan pancakes, the variety is endless and always evolving. These dishes show how creative and diverse American mornings can be. Every plate is a celebration of local ingredients, family recipes, and the joy of sharing a meal. Whether you crave spicy, savory, or sweet, there's a breakfast for everyone. From maple-drizzled pancakes to zesty breakfast tacos, the options are as varied as the people who enjoy them. Exploring these traditions is like tasting the country's history. Each bite connects us to generations past, revealing how immigration, innovation, and local pride have shaped the American breakfast table. No matter where you are, breakfast brings people together. It's a time to pause, connect, and start the day with good food and even better company. That's the real magic of the morning meal, a delicious tradition that unites us all, one bite at a time. The American breakfast is about more than food. It's about family and fun. Weekdays are rushed, but weekends slow down for a shared meal. The kitchen becomes a lively hub filled with laughter and teamwork. Kids help set the table or pour juice, making everyone part of the process. These moments create lasting memories, one pancake at a time. Breakfast is a chance to connect, share stories, and plan the day ahead. Even kitchen mishaps, like a pancake stuck to the ceiling, become legendary family tales. The table is a stage for jokes, stories, and togetherness. These rituals nourish both body and relationships. That's why breakfast is the heart of so many happy homes. Now it's your turn to join the breakfast tradition and make it your own special moment. You don't need fancy skills, just a little time, simple ingredients, and a big appetite to get started. Invite family or friends to cook together and make it a team effort, sharing laughs along the way. Choose your favorites, eggs, bacon, pancakes, or toast, and add your own creative touches to every plate. Don't worry about perfection. The best memories come from laughter, togetherness, and a little bit of mess. Put on some music, embrace the fun, and enjoy the delicious chaos that breakfast brings. Whether you're cooking for one or a crowd, breakfast is a celebration of simple joys and new beginnings. So, who's hungry? Let's get cooking and make some memories.